Dad got locked up. Big liquor there. Oh my goodness.
Here we go, Athearn Genesis Conrail SD60i, number 5605. You get a quick look at the very nice EMD, pure EMD sounds here while the engine sits here idling on the main. Various functions for non-VCC users include your horn. Bell rings automatically when you blow the horn. You can turn your dish lights on and off as you please. Turn the headlight off. Very nice engine for the price. Figured I'd share it with you guys. Great piece, isn't it? Oh yeah?
No
No yos.
yos.